best brush ever.
Going to use that small brush. Hi guys, this video will be about the pretty simple mural.
Now I'm in a Home Depot. All what we need, it's a paint, brushes, pencil. And with the brush, best brush ever. With the angle, small handle, best way.
Yes, here's her house. Here is the wall. Here is the design. We're not gonna do exact copy. Probably I'm gonna change the composition a little bit. The best way to cover the floor is the frozen paper. So there is actually a bunch of different techniques how to transfer image from sketch to the wall and do the tracer lines. The most of the time the artist uses like projector or any transfer paper or squares. For that mural, like I said, it's pretty much simple and basic. I'm gonna use just a pencil. I just don't want to go above that line because it will make a visual border. It will be one big white square over here. So the mount is not gonna go over that line. So I'm choosing the mount is the one gonna be here, just a line of level. Also the tip why I'm using the pencil instead of marker, because house paint gonna cover it, but please guys don't go like harder lines, just a little bit softer lines so we can easily to cover with the paint. Next, here's the plan. Usually for the painting it's better to start from the top and paint to bottom, right? Because when you're going to paint with a brush, you might have a drip of paint. They're gonna like drip right on the wall to the, for example, layers which you already painted, and it's like I said, it's the best way to go. But in my case, I'm going to start with the two basic colors, main ones, which I have, like a beige brown and like gray and teal on the bottom. I'm gonna do both of them first because they are main ones, and then all others, you see over here the mountains on the behind, I'm gonna mix the colors based on paint which I already have. It's helped me to create that level in the kind of 3D dimension. Go not so deep, a little bit, then just cut the all extra paint. So you see it's not dripping. If you go with the brush and press a little bit on the edge, you will give more paint on the edges. That's totally fine, because actually that line works in the two ways for us. The first, it's way better cover the pencil if you're going too hard when sketching. And the second one, that a little bit like a heel of the paint, let's create the double volume and make it that effect of 3D dimension and layers. That edges will work perfectly for us. I'm not doing the sharp edge, so technically you can do that, but it's gonna look way better if you take the brush like that and just smooth it. In the next step, I'm going to show you how to mix colors. So I took the one beige, like the base color, and I'm going to add them the background color, which we already have. Here I mix the lighter color, which I'm going to use for the back mountains. Guys, and always remember, when the paint is wet, it looks way lighter. Look. Here's the place. This is a fresh paint and it looks pretty similar to the color which is on the back, but let them dry just 10-15 minutes and you will see the difference. here's the last technique. I want to show you how to paint like a small trees on a far back. Just like that. Look, here is that space I showed you before. You see how different colors right now. After it's dry, it's become how it's supposed to be. Edge is pretty sharp. I finished and mural is done. Guys, let me please in the comments below if you have any question. Feel free to text me, ask any advices about supplies, techniques I mentioned over here. If you think and feel what I have to go deeper and explore some techniques, let me know as well in the comments and I will do it in the next videos. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next videos.